Hi guys, welcome to my channel once again, and this time I'm gonna be sharing how I do my eyebrows. So basically what I do with my eyebrows, I like to tint them, or some people like to call it henna. So this year I went to the salon to get the keratin treatment on my hair, and since I was already there, I thought, why not do my eyebrows as well? So I had heard about henna eyebrows before, and I had never tried it before. Since I was there, I thought, okay, it would be the perfect time. So basically I got it done, but I did not like the shape that the hairstylist did on my eyebrows. I did not like it at all, and I actually have a blog post about my experience at the salon, which I'm gonna leave the link in the description box in case you want to read about it. And since then I did my research to be able to do my own eyebrows, and basically I came across this little kit, which I can't remember if I got it from eBay or Amazon, but it brings everything that you're going to need. The little color, the developer, everything is in here. And this is the dark brown, but I noticed that if I do black, the results last longer. When I use the dark brown, it tends to last between 2 to 4 weeks, but if I use the black one, it tends to last 4 weeks. I got this for around $10, and it brings 3 capsules, and each capsule I'm able to use it 2 times. And I remember at the salon I paid $10 for one henna eyebrow session, so this saves me money, time, and I can do it in the comfort of my own home. And like you said, I just love the results because they always look filled in every morning when you wake up. It saves you time, and I just love it so much. So if you want to see what this little kit brings and how I tint my eyebrows, just keep on watching. So I'm going to start by tweezing my eyebrows. And this way I'm going to have my eyebrows ready. And once I'm done, I'm gonna continue with the next step. It brings the wax strips, it brings the developer lotion, it brings the instructions, the color capsules, the mixing sticks, and a mixing cup. I've never used the waxing strips because I'm too scared. So with the little mixing cup, and it brings 3 capsules, but I always use half of each, because I always see that is just the necessary amount. And I'll mix the developer, and I'm gonna put about the same amount of the mixing color. And as you can see, it has the same consistency as lotion. And now the only thing I'm gonna do is mix it together until I see it's very well dissolved. Okay, so I have it ready here, so I'm gonna apply it now. And you can always apply some Vaseline around your eyes, and that way it will prevent any stains, but I never apply anything. And in case you are looking for a natural alternative of Vaseline, then I recommend going to Etsy and finding one that has very natural ingredients, and I found this one. It has very few ingredients like lavender oil, rosemary extract, coconut oil. Even this little label is from recycled paper, from a glue that is cruelty-free and with no animal ingredients. And this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna be using this plastic stencil that already has an eyebrow shape, and this way it's so much easier for me to fill in. So I'm gonna place it here, and little by little I'm gonna start filling it in. And you can see already it looks very black. And now all I'm doing is just cleaning up around it. And now it's ready, so I just want a straight line here. So I'm just gonna clean my other eyebrow before I apply the tint, the henna. And I'm gonna repeat the same steps. And I'm just gonna make sure it looks the same as the other side. and I just hold it in place and I start filling in. And again, I just clean around it. So we'll wait about 2 to 4 minutes. Okay, ready? So to remove the excess, you can use a makeup remover wipe or a baby wipe. I'm gonna be using a baby wipe. And as you can see, I'm removing all the color. And this is the final result. I really like it. I really like how it looks, and it really saves you time every morning, and that way you don't have to be filling in your eyebrows every time you have to wake up and do your makeup, and this way it's gonna last from 2 to 4 weeks. So I hope this video was somehow helpful, and if you have any questions or suggestions for me, you can leave it in the comment section. And you can also find me on my social media accounts. I have Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest with the username Linsire. And if you have liked this video, you can give it a like, and that lets me know that you have liked this video, and that way I can continue making more videos. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Mwah!